Hey, what's up? I'm Deepika. If you run a logistics business, today you learn why you need to use bulk SMS in serving your customers and exactly how to go about it. You sure don't want to miss this. To get more free SMS updates and helpful content on how to use SMS for your business like a pro, subscribe to our channel. SMSCountry makes using SMS for your business easy, smooth, and effective. When you sign up, you get free credits to test our platform. Check us out today at SMSCountry.com. You can sign up for free and see how it works with the free demo. The first benefit of using SMS is minimized costs. Think about it for a moment. How much do you spend sending emails or putting out phone calls to your customers? Believe me when I tell you that bulk SMS is the most affordable means to communicate with your customers about their deliveries and queries. And speaking of your customers, what do you think your customers love more than a user-friendly experience? Your customers love life easy and simple. When you use SMS to communicate with them, you make life easy and convenient for them. But it's not all about the customers. Sometimes you must think about your staff as well. If communicating with your team so far is a hassle, SMS can help you make it fast, unintrusive, and easy. Of course, when your dispatcher is on the move, an SMS is a much safer route than a call that could potentially distract them. With bulk SMS, you can safely communicate with drivers on the move to inform them of changes in delivery details, routes, or new deliveries without leading to accidents. That's just to mention a few. We discussed more benefits of bulk SMS for your logistics business in our article on the benefits of bulk SMS for logistics businesses. See the link in the article in the description. So, how can you use bulk SMS in your logistics business? The first thing that comes to mind is to help your customers stay updated about their delivery. There's almost nobody happier than a customer who receives details and clear information about their packages in transit. Best believe that a happy customer is a returning customer. The second way you can use bulk SMS in your logistics business is by requesting feedback on your services. Are your customers happy with your services? Send a form via SMS and ask them to leave a feedback. It'll be far easier and more convenient for your customers than a phone call or email. Remember, SMSs have 98% open rate. One more way you can use SMS in logistics business is with SMS attachment feature. With this feature, your customers can track their parcels from any location using tracking links. The attachment feature also allows you to send billing details, product details, and even invoice details. Talk about your convenience? Right. And if all of this is not enough, give you a fourth way to use SMS for your logistics business. Have you ever considered the limitless possibilities for brand awareness with SMS? I'm talking about sending promotional content, sales content, discounts, and more offered by your business. Think about how excited your customers would be to learn that their favorite brand is running a discount offer. For your logistics business to run smoothly like a well-oiled machine, everything needs to help and support one another. From communication to delivery and even your customers receiving their packages. Since SMS offers a high open rate, convenience, speed and reliability, it's definitely your best bet for communicating with both your customers and your team. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and share this video with a colleague or a fellow logistics business owner who will need it. With a reliable and secure SMS gateway in place, you can be confident your messages are delivered fast and your customers and team are getting the information they need to make smart decisions on the move. SMSCountry is a pioneer text messaging service provider. Leveraging our collision with 550 plus global mobile networks, SMSCountry empowers businesses in over 180 countries to scale communication via SMS. At SMSCountry, we offer you top-tier bulk SMS services. Whether you want to use our Excel plugin, integrate our developer-friendly API in your software, or use our intuitive web platform, together with excellent customer support, we help make your SMS journey smoother and easier. What are you waiting for? Request a demo to see all you can do with SMSCountry or sign up for free with free credits to test SMSCountry platform. Like I mentioned at the beginning, you can read the accompanying blog for this video to learn more about how you can use SMS to supercharge your logistics delivery chain and delight your customers. You can also find a library of SMS templates for anything you need SMS for. The links are in the description below. You want to learn more on how to use SMS to market your business. Click the SMS marketing playlist showing on your screen now. Thank you for watching.